How to check login devices on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can check login devices on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to check login devices on Instagram, all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all open the Instagram app like this, then just come to your profile page. Once you come to the profile page, tap the three lines icon from the top right, then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll find a section where it says security, so tap on security. Once you tap on security, over here you'll find a section where it says login activity, so just make sure to tap the login activity button. Once you tap on login activity here, you're going to just come to this page where you just need to see all the login devices here. So basically these are the list of locations and devices from where your Instagram account was logged in. If you think and you don't recognize a specific device, tap the three dots next to the device, tap the option called logout, and your Instagram account will be successfully logged out of those devices. Yeah, this is simply how you can check login devices on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.